Hello guys, today I'm bringing to you very emotional video, and this video I have taken from Thai life.
ไทยประกันชีวิตเชื่อในความดี
Life, I think Thai life one day unsung hero. Here we see in this video one man, he is doing so much things that unnecessary. If people are thinking that it is unnecessary, but what he is doing was very necessary and very good for the future. And this person did not find happiness.
ได้เห็นความสุข
Yes, without doing all these things. But when he started doing this, other people are laughing and shaking their head what he is doing, what he is getting from doing this. But this person shows to the people that we have to help each other, or we have to do helping to others. We have to love others. We have to love others. And if you are loving others, then you will get the inner happiness. This is actually the emotional video. And when I watched this video, I also felt like this. And if these things are happening in our society, and we will have the same mind to help each other. And I think, and after watching this, I got a knowledge that if everyone also think to do like this, mean in our society also we will not have any corruption, we will have only love and peace. And here, that is why I also cannot stop making reactions video in my channel, since it is a very good videos. So I hope you will like it, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more videos like this into this my Karbi reactions video. Oh, come on, let us know. Yeah, this is how the video starts. This man walking. This man was walking, and he saw that water falling there, simply falling. But that water, there is one flower pot, I think, but that did not give the water and dried. Here, look, dried. So he took that one and kept there. Yeah. And the next test, when he was going, the lady could not push the what's called this, I don't know exactly, but maybe you can see here, could not do that. But then the next step you see, he's giving his food to the dog. Yeah, here you see there's two beggars, but actually they are not begging the money for drinking alcohol or not wasting the money for the rest of his life. But this child want to go to the school but don't have money, so he took this money and gave to the child. And you can see at the last. Okay, this is how the story teaches. And I hope guys you will like this video, and if you like this video, please support me, subscribe my channel. Since this is a new channel, I don't have any subscriber, please help me to get a subscriber so that I can bring more videos like this. And I hope we can learn a lot of things from this video, and I hope that you will be doing all these things, showing your love, extend your love to many people, because there are many people who are in need of our love, or in need of our care. Yeah, very I appreciate the one who produced this movie, this short video, and the credit of this video goes to that video, and I will be giving the link in my description. And if you want to watch again, then you can go to the description link and visit that channel also. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your friend Kunder Singh, and you're watching the Karbi reaction videos channel. If you are new in this channel, I welcome you and I invite you to like this video and subscribe this channel to be a part of this Karbi reaction videos family. And if you are my subscriber, I thank you for supporting this channel to grow and watching all my videos. And I hope you are fine and will keep supporting to grow this channel. Thank you so much.